To verify your identity on the Ria app, start by opening the app and logging in. Tap your profile icon, then select the option that says Verify Identity or Complete Profile. Depending on your version, you'll be asked to enter your full name, date of birth, and address. Make sure those match exactly what's on your government issued ID. Any spelling mistakes can cause verification to fail. Then choose a valid document such as a passport, driver's license, and national ID, or a residence permit. Next, take clear photos of both the front and back of your ID. Make sure the images are in color, valid, and not blurry. Avoid reflections or shadows and don't use scans or screen photos. After that, you will be prompted to take a selfie following on screen guidance, like keeping your face with a frame. This helps Ria confirm that it really is you behind the ID. Once you have uploaded the documents and selfie, Ria will review them. In many regions. The verification happens instantly or within a few hours. In the US or Canada, it may use automated checks against your profile. If it doesn't work, you may have to try again after a week. In other regions or if it can't verify automatically, you will receive an email or in-app notification requesting more information or documents. Once you have it approved, you'll see a confirmation screen in the app and get a notification. After that, you'll be verified and ready to send international transfers without restrictions.